Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin immediately. Unlock your Vivo and make sure battery is above 20%. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open settings from the app tray or swipe down and tap the gear icon. If prompted, authenticate with your PIN or fingerprint because accessibility changes require confirmation for security. You need to know your phone model only if menu names differ. Otherwise, proceed. Now locate accessibility in settings, sometimes nested under additional settings, and tap to enter the accessibility menu. Once you're inside accessibility, scan the categories: vision, hearing, interaction, and more. You can tap each category to see detailed controls. Use the settings search bar if the item is buried. Type accessibility to jump straight there. When you see a toggle, read the short description before enabling. This explains what changes. If an item opens a submenu, enter it to adjust intensity, voice speed, shortcut keys, or gesture settings. Make selective changes so you can test one feature at a time. To finish, test each accessibility feature right away. Try magnification, screen reader prompts, or larger text so you confirm it helps. Make sure to enable an accessibility shortcut if you need fast toggles. This saves time. If a setting seems not to apply, reboot the phone. A restart often forces system services to refresh. If problems persist, reset only the changed accessibility settings rather than all phone data. This isolates the issue without losing personal content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.